Consider what the judge said in respect of this issue.
The landmark High Court judgment against the Building Bridges initiative has rightly been hailed as the unprecedented judicial triumph it is. The judgment presents Kenya with a unique political crisis, with the year 2022 which might make 2007 look like a walk in the park as the country glares into the election with the political crisis for Kenya.
We need to re-examine it.
Speaking on Monday in Nairobi during the Eastern Africa Journalist Summit, the COTU Secretary General Francis Atwoli has once again challenged the BBI ruling by the High Court, which he claimed was tribalistic, expressing confidence in the Court of Appeal to overturn the stoppage of Building Bridges initiative, which the High Court nullified last month.
We can say this cake is big, let it be distributed to tribes, because this is a tribal country. And you accept tribalism positively, and you will never fight. And stupid tribalists, when we want to work on the constitution, they move to court. When we start dying, it is not them. It's our children, it's workers, it is women. And those who have money, they fly away. And somebody is telling you it is not constitutional. And the constitution is a paper that we wrote. And we as workers, we participated.
Deputy President William Ruto on Sunday responded to the statement by ODM party leader Raila Odinga that there will be a political tsunami in the country before and after the much-awaited 2022 general election. In his response to the ODM leader, the DP told his opponent that he is not afraid of anything, saying he had also organized himself well for the presidential due.
Mtu asiwatie hofu kwamba pengine kukaenda, kukaharibika. Haiwezi kuharibika. Because we believe in God, and God is a God of peace and order, and there will be order, and we will move forward as a country.
Raila had claimed that his political brigade was making a mighty and never-seen machine that will rush his opponent, adding that Kenya should brace for bigger political formation that will shape the destiny of the country.
We are confident that through this competent team, we are going to succeed. That BBI is going to move forward.
DP Ruto's agenda has been challenged with the BBI supporters, saying his proposed bottom-up economic model could not address the challenges facing the country.
And if you are born here like me, I know everybody in the system. And when I tell you so and so is bad, you say, oh, Atwoli has abandoned the workers. He's now talking about politics. Bad politics breeds bad life.
But according to the DP, his economic approach remains the only viable avenue to address the challenges facing the majority of Kenya as a grassroots. All eyes in Kenya are on the BBI ruling case ahead of the much-touted 2022 general elections. Dolly Mirigi for Hope TV News Watch.